Good day everyone. So this is the continuation of our topic, which is the Highland literature. And as you can see, these are the examples of Highland literature. So first is Song of the Urban by the Tagbanwa folk song, or from the Tagbanwa tribe. So gentle flowers so sweet and so gay, do you love me, oh place to say? For I'm lonely, very, very lonely, since my mother soldier went away. So it is translated by courtesy of Silver Burdett and Company. So it is a melancholic song expressing loneliness and longing for mother's love. This song showcases the emotional depth of Tagbana folk music and highlights the importance of family and love in their cultures. So it is about the pain of losing loved ones and the need for compassion. So next is the legend of Engo from Manobo tribe. So Engo, a hunter, went to the forest with his dogs and caught a big boar. However, he broke his spear and in frustration told nearby frogs to stop croaking and help him. So it shows disrespect to the natures. So this angered the spirits and stones began to chase him. So despite his effort to escape, so despite po sa family ni Ingo nga bisag nigamit na sila magic lime to help Ingo and his family were slowly turned to stone by the supernatural forces, which is si Anitan. So kana si Anitan mo na siya maghatag og punishment sa mga tao nga mo disrespect sa nature. So according to the legend, their petrified forms can still be seen on Ginao Peak today. So this legend teaches us that we should respect so respeto sa atong palibot and sa nature nato and the consequences of one's action, so that we need to think before we act. So the last one is Bueya from Tilian tribe. So Tilian Lulaban. Sleep my own, sleep and be still. Dreams speaks on your soft wind. Sleep my baby and be still. Dreams speaks on your soft wind. Little one, rest your tired head sa pagitan ng God's bird in the dark night her breath shed. From courtesy of Silver Burdett on Company. So Duea is a soothing song to help a baby sleep, promoting peace and rest. It features imagery of nature like sampagita flowers to create a calming atmosphere. So this Tilian lullaby is all about the importance of rest and care for loved ones. That's all.